Hey guys, it is me Obed, and today I will tell you how you can connect your Lovable website, dashboard, or whatever you have built using Lovable with your voice AI agent. And this AI agent can be on Retell AI. For this video, I'll be using Retell. It can be on LiveKit. You can see a couple of videos on my channel, LiveKit. You know how you can get started, and it can be on Vapi, it can be on Synthflow, it can be a blend, whatever, 11 labs, right? So the concept will be same. For this video I'll be using Retell, and we can see how we can connect it to an actual website or a dashboard which we can deliver it to client or maybe use it for our business, right? uh, okay, and Lovable is a powerful tool, but if you are building it for designing the dashboards and you know just for beautiful front end, that is not the full potential of it. You have to connect it with different applications and the agents, of course, right? Now I will just show you a demo and I will explain what it is. So it is just a order management system or order dashboard, just like a CRM for a restaurant. And basically they can see the orders users have placed or the customers have placed, and you can see there are in total 5 pending orders, and if we even do the refresh, there are only 5. And I will be placing the 6th one, and I will be using the name as I don't know, Sam Altman, right? And just to see if it lands there correctly. These are the orders right now, but I will just call my agent now. It is already connected to a phone number, so and I will keep it on speaker so that you can also hear. Okay.
Hello, welcome to Cheesiest. How can I help you today?
Hey, I want to place an order.
Of course. May I have your name, please, before we get started with your order?
Yes. My name is Sam Altman.
Thank you, Sam. Please let me know what you'd like to order today.
Just one pizza, please.
Great choice, Sam. Could you please specify which type of pizza you'd like and if you have any preferences for size or toppings?
No, just the regular one.
Thank you for clarifying, Sam. I've placed an order for one regular pizza for you. Is there anything else you'd like to add to your order?
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Okay, so I could see that it has placed the order for the regular one. So, you can just have a lot of instructions, but let's see if it gets there. So if we see now our the Lovable portal, and we can see Sam Altman has placed an order, and this was the phone number Sam used, right? And you can see it didn't ask my phone number, it already knew that this is the user phone number. So it automatically gets that info, and one pizza, and these are not specified. So just you can ask like, if a customer plays pizza, these are the options, please make them select one, these type of things, right? But the concept will be similar, how you can do the connection, right? Now we have 6 pending orders and restaurant can deliver them. Okay, now let's see how you can do it, right? So the agent is on Retell AI. By the way, if you are working on any project which is a custom build and you want to use it on your own or maybe for company or something, you can reach out to the email or the WhatsApp. I build these agents pretty frequently, and we may build it together. Okay. And now let's see how we have done it and how you can get started at least to build these agents. So here is, I have just included very minimal instructions for the agent, and only the identity and instructions blocks are there. So you are working for fast food restaurant, and ask their name, here's the phone number, so no need to ask it, just this type of things. And then it is connected to the make.com. I just make sure that it is running, and you could see like the live action coming in, and then making a http request which is connected to our Lovable. And how it is connected, it is basically a post request with the Supabase function. So Supabase edge function is there, and it is taking the customer name, phone number, and the order details, and it is showing it is inserting a order, and then it is displaying that order in the order hub, right? And so the way you can do it, obviously your application will be different. You just have to talk with your Lovable in a way that it is understanding that you have to connect this dashboard with a Retell Voice AI agent. I did the same. I very minimal prompt. I just say please attach the real database and give me the APIs so that I can connect it with the real dashboard. And that's how I got this. I just allowed all of the configurations, and yeah, only one command, only one prompt, and I got this block of code, which I can either use from my Python function as well, and I can deploy my Python function on the cloud, or I can use it on make.com just like I have here. And basically we are sending a JSON body with a post request, and it is doing the rest, right? So yeah, that was like the only integration settings you have to do, right? And now it totally depends on your use case, your client, your business, how you want to do it, right? Okay, I think that was it. And if you have any queries, any questions, you can either join my school community also. There are a lot of members who are eager to help you if you join, and you can just post your questions right here, just like this guy did, and I will make sure I will answer these questions in like within 24 hours. Okay, so yeah, that was it for today's today video. And you can reach out to the email or WhatsApp also if there is something urgent and you want to build. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next video.